One summer day, the ant worked hard to carry food to her home. The cicada sat on a tree and sang happily.
"Come sing with me, Ant," said the cicada. "No," said the ant. "I must store food for winter."
The cicada laughed and kept singing. When winter came, the ant was warm and had lots of food. The cicada was cold and hungry. "Please help me, Ant," said the cicada.
The ant shared a little food and said, "Next time, work before you play." The cicada nodded. "I will, thank you."